I am Aaron Price. I'm a partner at Lew Kelly Price law firm. I've been here a little over 9 years, and I'm licensed in Oregon since 2012. You just signed up. First of all, welcome and thank you for trusting us with your workers' compensation claim. First thing that's going to happen, I think you just signed what we call a retainer agreement. What that agreement explains is how we're paid and that we're your attorney and you're our client, and we have now responsibilities and duties that come along with that. So one of the first things that we're going to do is we're going to send a letter of representation to the workers' compensation insurer. There's various insurers out there. Some of the more common ones, Gallagher Bassett, Safe, Intermountain Claims, and so forth. And so we're going to send them a letter of representation saying that we now represent you. And the communication should come from them to our office. And they shouldn't be contacting you unless we've given that permission or we're somehow involved in that communication. Now, depending on where you are in your claim, if we're filing the claim for you using an 801 form and filing the claim, we're going to send a letter of representation and also file the claim at the same time, and it's going to enter what's called the deferred status period. That'll be a 60-day period for the insurance company to send you to an independent medical exam or two, probably take a recorded statement from you, order some medical records, and then make a determination on your claim. And we'll be representing you through that whole process while your claim is in the deferred status period. Or maybe you're coming to us, the claim's already been accepted, it's been denied. What will happen is once we send that letter of representation, a few weeks will go by. Sometimes it's 2, 3, or 4 weeks. So the process isn't extremely fast. So thank you for your patience on that, but eventually we will get your file from the insurance company. And the first thing we do is it'll get to my desk and I'll go page by page through your file and take some notes assessing what we should do on your claim. And then my office will schedule a conference call with you and me, and we'll talk about the things that I see in your claim, and I'll make recommendations of what I think we should do. Or do we have to appeal any denials? How are we going to get ready for your hearing? Hey, your claim is accepted. There's other conditions that I think we should add, that sort of thing. So think of it sort of like, a doctor that orders imaging or blood work. The doctor has to see that imaging or blood work then to make a prescription of what to do. I do the same thing with your file. So I want to get your file and then assess it, call you, and we'll put a game plan together. And then also I want to learn a little bit more about you and your goals for the claim, because a lot of folks have different goals. Some folks want to get their claim accepted. Some folks want to get their denial overturned. Some want to get a surgery approved. Some want to settle. And so I want to know all of your different goals so I can tailor what I'm doing to better serve you. There's a couple of helpful ways. One, we have a group team email. It'll put it on the screen here, aspteam@lkporegon.com. Now that email will go to everybody on my team. I'm talking about associate attorneys, legal assistants, and to me. It's a very helpful way to start because sometimes we do have our practice sprinkled out into different responsibility areas. And so that's, if you're not familiar with that, it's just a good way. Hey, I want to schedule a call with Aaron. Or hey, I have a question about this or that. And all of us have cell phones and we're looking at our emails a lot, and we can get back to you or schedule a call. So that's a really helpful way to get a hold of us. Another way is you can call the office main line. Our office main line will be listed below, 503-221-0870. We're open 8:30 to 5 Monday through Friday. And you can request a call with me or one of my legal assistants or associate attorney. And those are pretty much the 2 ways that you can get a hold of our office. So to recap, ASP team email, the group email, or call our office during business hours, 8:30 to 5, and we'll get back to you just as soon as we can. Obviously, you can still, if you live in the Portland metro area, you can schedule an in-person meeting with me. I'd love to meet with you in person. If you don't live in the Portland metro area, we do represent a lot of folks that don't. You can always schedule a Zoom meeting if you'd like, or a conference call. I just want you to feel comfortable and get all your questions answered. I never want you sitting back, holding questions in. I want you to reach out, and we're here to help. And we look forward to talking to you soon.